Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cano Python. In the previous session we have covered loops and if-else statement. In this session we'll cover pass, continue and break function. How it will work in if-else statement. We'll check this with example. So let's get started with pass function. We'll take one example. We'll create one loop for I in range 0, 10. Let's say if I is less than 7, then print I, else print by. Okay, we'll execute this one. See, 7 times it is printed. This condition is true. That's why 7 times it is printed high. Then remaining 3 times it is printed by. Okay, so this loop is running like this. 7 times it is printed high and remaining 3 times it is printed by. Okay, means 7 times the condition is true and remaining 3 times the condition is false. That's why it's printed by over here. So if you don't want to print high in this place, just pass over here. We'll get this by 3 times. If you don't want to print anything in true condition, we'll just put pass over here. It will pass this. I is less than 7. It will go down. It will check this condition. Then it will print like this. Okay, this is the pass function. Now, in this if you want to put multiple condition, we can put that as well. Take one more example. If you want to put multiple condition, then we can put like elif I is greater than 5, then print let's say I underscore 1. We'll execute this one. See what is the result. In the same, first we'll print with high. Print high. We'll check this one. See, 7 times it is printed high, then remaining 3 times it is printed high underscore 1 over here. Okay, we'll check how this loop is working. See, this is the first condition, that is I less than 7, means 7 times it should print high. Then what are the remaining? Loop will run till 10 only, till 9 only. Okay, 0 to 9. So 7 times it is printed high, then remaining 3 times it will print the high underscore 1. Okay, if you change this condition, false, 7 times it will print high, then this condition is false, then it will go down, it will check the else condition, then it will print like by. Okay, so this is multiple if else statements. If you want more, if you want to put more condition, you can put multiple condition as well. Simply we have to put elif. Okay, then we can start this one. So this is the pass. Here also we can put pass if you don't want to put anything over here. If you don't want to print, we can just pass this line. We can print the below condition. Okay, we'll check with the break. Sorry, we'll check with the condition. Continue with the continue. We'll take same example. Same example like continue. If you want to print high over here, execute this one. See, continue means once this will run, then it will continue to the down one. Okay, so 7 times it will print high, then 3 times it will print by. We'll take one more condition in this. If I is less than 5, then print I underscore 1. Check this one. You have executed. Change this condition like I is greater than 5. We got this one. I 7 times and 3 times I underscore 1. Okay. See, if I is less than 7, this condition is true. That's why it is printed high over here. Then it will continue this loop. It will continue this loop. It will go down. It will check I is less than 5. Yes, true. It is less than 5. Then what are the remaining? See, 7 times it is printed high. Then what are the remaining? Till loop will run till 10. Okay, so the remaining 3 times it is printed and high underscore 1. Okay, so if you put this condition, it is printed by like this. See, this condition is true, that's why it is printed high 7 times. This condition also is true, but this condition overlap to this condition. See, I is less than 7, till 7 already it is printed. I is less than 5, till 5 already it is printed over here. So that's why it goes down and it is checked this condition and it is printed by over here. So change this condition like this, it is printed I underscore 1. Okay, now in this is the continue function is used to continue the loop. If you have run this one, if you want to run this below one also, just continue over here. Okay, then the next one is the break. We'll check break over here. In place of continue, we have to simply put break. We'll execute this one. See what we got, this high only. See, we'll check how this loop is working over here. For I in range 0, 10, if I is less than 7, print high. First time it is printed high, then it will check over here, it is written break. Break means it will break this loop and we will get the result. Okay, it will not go continue. If you want to continue over here, continue like this. If you want to break this loop over here, we can break this one and we'll get the result. Okay, so these are the 3 functions, that is pass, continue and break. We have checked in if else statement. So hope this will make sense. Thank you guys.